In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly shop using Google. We'll take you step by step through the process, making your online shopping experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. First, we will begin by heading to Temu. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the web address or simply search for Temu using Google. For those of you who may be new to online shopping, Temu is an online platform where you can find a variety of products. It's a one-stop shop for everything from electronics to clothing and just about everything else in between. Once you've made your way to the Temu homepage, the next step in our journey is to start browsing for products. Think about what it is you're shopping for today. If you have something specific in mind, you can use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. However, if you're in the mood to discover something new, feel free to explore the categories available on the site. This is a chance to let curiosity be your guide and maybe even find a few surprises along the way. As you browse, you'll find detailed descriptions and reviews, which will help in making an informed decision before you commit to buying. Once you've found a product you like, it's time to add it to your cart. So go ahead, click that Add to Cart button. It's always a good idea to make sure you're getting the best deal by checking any offers or discounts associated with the product. A little patience in this phase can save you quite a bit. After your shopping cart is filled with all your finds, the next step is to proceed to checkout. Here's where things get exciting. You're almost done. On the checkout page, look for the Payment Methods section. Temu offers a variety of payment options to suit your preference, but in this guide, we're focusing on using GCash for a secure and efficient payment process. GCash is a mobile wallet that allows you to send and receive money, pay bills, and of course, shop online, all from your device. Simply click on GCash under the payment methods to proceed. If you're not yet familiar with GCash, setting it up is straightforward and you'll find it to be a convenient option in managing your transactions digitally. For those who already have it linked to their Temu account, it's just a matter of a few clicks and you're good to go. And there you have it. You're done. You've successfully navigated through the entire process from browsing to payment, all with the help of Google. Hopefully, this guide has made the online shopping experience easier for you and maybe even inspired a bit of confidence in exploring the digital marketplaces out there. Remember, whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the game, there's always something new to learn, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.